3.
Hi, I'm Craig with Citrus Plus, and we're here on site in Mountain View at Evolution Trainers. And we're doing our disinfection treatment and sanitizing treatment here for them this weekend on all of their equipment. First, I want to commend them and thank them for being such great environmental stewards and health stewards to their clients, to their employees, and to their staff by incorporating a 100% probiotic enhanced cleaning regimen. So whenever we clean for them, we're always using probiotics. Their janitorial staff is using probiotics, and the results have been amazing. I've been able to see the results year after year inside this gym, and I can easily say that this is the most sanitary gym this side of Silicon Valley. So with that said, I just want to explain what we're going to do. The process is going to be to first disinfect the equipment. Second, we're going to go ahead and clean everything once it has a chance to sit and dwell on that equipment and kill the COVID-19 virus and the other viruses and bacteria that we're concerned with. And then we're going to go in and repopulate the environment after that kill is over with a probiotic enhanced treatment. I'm going to shoot a clip in a second of us fogging the equipment. You're going to see me wearing goggles and you're going to see me wearing a mask, a respirator. That's not because the product that we use is unsafe. It's quite the opposite. It's that you don't want to inhale vapor. I'm spraying vapor everywhere. So whether it's water vapor or BENEFECT Decon 30, you don't want to be inhaling that because it's not good for your lungs. So I'm wearing glasses to protect my eyes, and I'm wearing a mask to protect my lungs. So this is the product that we're using. We put this out on the web the other day. There's no warning labels. It's 100% safe, 100% effective, botanical. It's just a wonderful product that we've used for about 10 years. So with that, we'll step into the fogging process next.